Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Fanny. In this wash day routine, I'm going to use Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. I'm going to use the Rosemary Mint line. So I have the shampoo, which is supposed to instantly nourish and cleanse dry, weak, bristle hair with scalp tingling strengthening shampoo. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this, and I also have the mask, Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask, and I also have the famous the famous Mielle Mint rosemary oil. So I have this. So these are what I'm going to use on my wash day routine, and my hair is a little bit dry. I've not washed it for the last 2 weeks. So I'm just going to quickly put my hair in sections, then we start the process. Okay, let's get into it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If this is your first time here, welcome. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use African Pride pre-shampoo. So this one will help me to detangle. This is going to help me to detangle my hair. So I'm just going to use spray bottle, and yes, let's get into it. And my hair is in sections now, so I'm just going to spray my hair with water and use the pre-shampoo from African Pride. I find this product working really well when you first spray your hair with water. So after spraying your hair with water, then you just walk it around and detangle your hair, and it becomes a little bit easy compared to when you just apply it straight to your hair. So it really works for me like that. So I'm done with detangling, and this is how much hair I've lost. And after this, with this product, after you're done with you can cover your hair for 15 minutes, or you can sit under a heat cup for 15 minutes depending. So I'm just going to be on my shower cake for the next 15 minutes, then I'll proceed to wash it. Wash days can be very overwhelming, so I went ahead and hydrated myself. Then I started the process. I started by running my hair into water, then I rinsed off the pre-shampoo that I had in my hair. Our natural hair really needs hydration, so I made sure that my hair was well saturated with water. So I continued to make sure I ran my hair with water for maybe 1 minute before I start the process. Then this is the shampoo, because this is the first time I'm using this shampoo, so I was trying to open it and it was not opening, and it has I tried the smell, and it has it smells of rosemary and mint, and if you haven't seen it before, this is how it is. So I apply the product direct on my scalp, because a proper scalp care, a healthy scalp is essential for hair growth. If your hair is not clean on the scalp, there is no way your hair is going to grow without a clean scalp. So I do massage this shampoo into my scalp and work around it on my scalp, and to avoid tangles, sometimes I do hold the ends of my hair when washing, then I work around it. I wash my scalp, or I massage my scalp. These avoid tangles a lot. And so you want to make sure you take your time while doing this, and if you can still go ahead and detangle your hair while you shampoo. I do tangle my hair in every stage just to avoid a lot of tangle at the end of the wash, at the end of my wash day. Then if you have a scalp massager, you can actually use it on your scalp. It does condition the scalp and help with the blood circulation in the head, hence promote hair growth. And this shampoo also has rosemary and mint, which promote hair growth. We do shampoo our hair to clean our scalp and remove dirt, any gel you have in your hair, all that. And this is what I was trying to explain earlier on, just holding the ends of my hair. If I remember, this helps to avoid tangle, a lot of tangle. And as I said, I do tangle my hair in every stage just to avoid a lot of tangle at the end of the wash day. So I do wash my hair in sections sometimes, but in this wash day I did just want to wash my hair free like this. Then I went ahead and rinse off the shampoo. What I like about this shampoo is that it did define my curls, and I have a low porosity hair, and my hair did actually loves it. It lathers well, and a little goes a long way. So this is my hair after rinsing off the shampoo. You can see how well, if you look closely, you can see how well my hair is defined. I have 4C hair and a low porosity hair, and this shampoo is just amazing on my hair. It doesn't leave my hair overly stripped. Then I went ahead with the deep conditioner. This product, this is how it looks like. I really love to show people how a product looks like. Then when you go to buy it, you know what you do expect. The consistency, you can see how it is. And then if you want this product, you just don't want to slap a product on your hair. So you want to take a product, apply it on the palm of your hand, at least the way you normally apply maybe a lotion or a moisturizer. You put it on your palm of the head, then you rub it around, then you apply it on your hair. And you don't want to apply a lot of product in your hair. Just a little goes a long way. And if you don't have the slip you want, you can go ahead and add water or spray your hair with water. This will reactivate the slip, so you don't have to use a lot of water. Then, as I said earlier on, I do detangle my hair in every stage. This helps me a lot with the tangle at the end of wash day. So what does the deep conditioner do? This deep conditioner also have rosemary, it has mint, it has very many benefits. So rosemary and mint do help with hair growth, and deep conditioners help to bring back the moisture your hair has lost during shampooing. And also, if you have a damaged hair, deep conditioner will help you a lot with restoring your hair back. So if you haven't put deep conditioner in your hair care routine, you need to start deep conditioning your hair. Deep conditioners also help with split ends, breakage, dry hair. So it is a very good process. You don't want to miss it in your hair care routine. So you don't have to deep condition your hair in each and every wash day. So maybe you can deep condition your hair twice a month. Oh, I do wash my hair after every 2 weeks, so I only deep condition my hair twice a month. Other times I just use normal shampooing, and I use normal conditioners. I don't deep condition my hair every wash day, otherwise you're going to have a lot of moisture overload, and you don't want that on your hair. So I went ahead and sat under heat cap for 20 minutes, and I thought my camera was recording and it wasn't recording, so I apologize for that. Or you can sit under shower cap for 20 to 30 minutes depending on how your hair is or how much deep conditioning you want your hair to be. So I went ahead and rinsed off the deep conditioner, and I must say my hair was soft and nice. Oh, how I wish my hair will be this, feeling this moisture every now and again. But yes, I do deep condition my hair regularly, and it helps my hair a lot. Then I made sure that all the product was out of my hair by removing all the twist I had when I was under heat cap. I had put my hair under on twist. Then the other day somebody asked me if I do my skincare during wash days. Yes, I do. I use this CeraVe foaming cleanser to clean my face. Then I use this Dove moisturizing shower gel. I do love it. It does moisturize my skin very well. Then I use this Paula's Choice 2% BHA exfoliant. You can check my other videos on skincare products. So yeah, then I use the La Roche-Posay for my sunscreen. Make sure you use the sun cream on your face every day. So then I went ahead to moisturize my hair, because you don't want to leave your hair like that. So I had this Mielle leave-in conditioner, but it was all over. I just found out that I have an empty bottle. Then I use anti-jerky note on my watch. This product is an instant detangler, just the way it has been described on the bottle. My hair is a low porosity hair, and it means it takes longer for product to actually settle on my hair strand. So if I'm using a product which is a little bit heavy, it will actually take so long, or I have to activate the product with maybe warm water so that it can penetrate on my hair strand. But with this product, is the detangler from Not On My Watch from Auntie Jackie. It's just amazing because it's a lightweight oil and it does penetrate on my hair strand so quickly, and it helps me with detangling my hair, because you don't want your hair to tangle. If you have 4C hair, after washing, you deep condition, you let your hair dry for a few minutes. My hair dries so quickly. So at this point my hair was so dry, so I needed something to help me with detangling it again. Then I took the Mielle Rosemary oil and actually applied it on my scalp. This product is very good for hair growth. I did a video showing you how to identify a real and a fake Mielle rosemary or mint oil. I'll leave it on the description box below. Then I'll do a video. I've been using this product for a while now, and it has really helped me with the hairline. So I'll also do a video, so you can keep tuned so that you don't miss that video on my upload, which is coming so soon. You need to find yourself a very good leave-in conditioner for your hair, as your hair needs moisture. Moisture is very important to prevent hair from drying, breakage, and also helps with splitting. So if you don't apply a leave-in conditioner, your hair is prone to breakage, you're prone to split ends. So according to your hair, or depending on your hair type, you need to find something out there that really works well for you. So I have different products that really works well for me. So I use the Mielle leave-in conditioner, or I use this Auntie Jackie Not On My Watch. But I tried so many products before I settle on what really works on my hair. So if you are there, just try and find a product that really works for you. Then after applying a leave-in conditioner, you want to make sure you apply oil on your scalp. Oiling your scalp helps to condition the scalp, and also after applying the oil, you want to make sure you massage your hair to help with blood circulation. These also help with hair growth. So I went ahead with generous amount of this Mielle rosemary mint oil and apply it generously all over my hair. After applying a leave-in conditioner, you want to make sure you apply oil, or you want to make sure you seal it with an oil of your choice. I use almond oil on this video, but you can use any lightweight of your choice. Applying oil or sealing in the moisture makes the product to stay longer on your hair. So this is the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and I will see you on my next video. If you're wondering where I got these big scrunchies or big hairbands, I bought them in Boots. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you and bye bye.